paano ba to?
Anybody know the number for 911?
Hang on. Oh, I think the tree won't carry me. Cannot handle my weight. Just hang on.
Who thinks this is a good idea? Raise your hand. Anybody?
I used to do this in the Philippines.
You're not in the Philippines or a teenager.
Hang on, ah. Hang on. You need to stop the camera until I climb. I stuck.
Okay, we'll be back when the ambulance shows up. Still working on bad ideas.
There's a monkey. Hello.
Just get one, say you did it. Those two, make sure they're soft.
I did it, mga kaibigan. Ingat-ingat. Huwag niyong kayahin ito, ah. Mga kids.
Bad example.
It's not a bad example. We do this all the time in the Philippines. My mom used to climb in siniguelas all the time to harvest all the fruit for the siniguelas. Are you doing the camera or everybody's got busy now? I'm very, very careful. I'm not like going crazy. Just don't go to the very far edge. I need a sungkit. I can't move. I need a sungkit, mga kaibigan. So I can sungkit.
That's
need
good for now. I'll get a ladder this weekend.
There's some more here behind me.
Oi.
I'm already here upstairs on the tree, so while I'm just gonna pick up the one that's ready, that I can manage to harvest it. Oh, ang dami, mga kaibigan. Parang nasa Pilipinas lang tayo, ano? Yan. Ang dami pa, oh. Oh. Gagawin ko namang jam, kaya okay lang na ma-smash kahit may itapon dyan. Ayun, onda. Ayun pa. Oh my God, ang dami doon sa tuktok. Kaya lang, hindi ko alam kung gaano karupok ang kahoy ng pig. Ang dami dito, no? Alright, mga kaibigan, sinubukan ko lang kung kaya ko pa. Ginagawa ko to sa mga siniguelas noon, sa mga bayabas, kaimito. Yan, mga kaibigan.
Say bye, hon.
Bye, hon ko dyan.